Hello and welcome to one of our product review videos. We're going to be looking at a couple of PC speakers made by Trust, and they are a 2.0 speaker system. They are USB powered, so they plug into your tower PC or your laptop in the side and have a standard stereo jack. They're around, the pricing off Amazon at the moment is around £10. They come in this box, 10 watt peak power, USB powered as I've just mentioned. They're the Mila or Mila set. They have compact design. They've got various controls on the front of them. USB power. So obviously you don't need a wall plug. That's quite handy. So they are portable.
You can put headphones in them.
And you can even plug a headphones in the front of them. So on the front of them they have a volume knob, which is quite stiff. It gets stiffer as you turn it. So obviously some analog type thing going on. An on and off button which powers a blue LED, obviously from the USB, and the speakers are attached to each other. Straight cable in the back, no unplugging. Really lightweight. They look nice, got a nice cloth cover on the front with the Trust logo, and that's
quite
it.
Stylish, nice
really
shape.
for that.
So I took them out of the box, and as Daniel will tell you, IT is not my strong point, and I, as daft as it seems, no problem with them, just plugged them in and away we went. The thing that I found really useful last night was the little blue light there.
Yeah.
That was enough to illuminate the keyboard, which was really good. So should we listen to...
So this is one of our YouTube videos, one of our most popular recent YouTube videos, and we're just going to test the sound on them for you.
The guy here you see is Ben, and we're just going to do this.
Afternoon, wherever you are. This is the unboxing of the Dell Inspiron 14.5.
So you turn them up a bit.
2-in-1. $6.99 on Amazon. Although the prices tend to vary on that, I'm sure you
Quite good sound.
are aware. But it was $6.99 on Amazon.
So pause that video.
A
So
stylus
as you can see, they've got a fair bit of power to them. Obviously they're not the most powerful speakers in the world, but the reason why we bought them is because this HP laptop's really good, but the speakers aren't that good, which is the same with most sort of laptops and thin TVs. And you wanted something where if you want to watch a video on something, you could
I mean, if you're 10
on
quid,
YouTube you could just hear it
can't
better.
go wrong, can you? £10, I mean.
So obviously if you're looking at buying these, then we hope our video gives you some sort of indication of what the product looks like and the quality and what it can do.
And again, excuse the makeshift office, but we're in the process of setting something up, so it's just how it is at the moment. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.